Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today in GK, we will learn about my home. About my home. Before it, we learned about my family and my family members. Now, we will learn about my home. My home. So, this is my home, and in my home there live my family members like my father, mother, brother and sister and me. So this is my home, and in my home there are so many rooms like drawing room, study room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen and prayer room. Yes, these are the parts of my home. Now, I will tell you what usually we do in drawing room. Like whenever any guests come, we make them sit over here. And in study room, I keep study. Here, this is my bedroom. This is my bedroom, and here I take a nap. I take rest with my family member, like my father and mother. And here is the bathroom. Here I take a bath, I clean myself, I brush my teeth, I use it to clean myself. And here in kitchen we make food, like my mother, my father, sometimes me. So we cook food here in the kitchen. And here in the prayer room we do prayer with my family, like my mother, father, we all do puja here. This is all about my home. Now, what you have to do is tell me about your home, parts of your home, like how many rooms are there and which part of your home you like the most. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment our channel.